Respected principal sir, worthy teachers and my dear brothers and sisters, good morning to everyone. Today, I Deepa stand here to express my view in favor of board exam in class 10.
Respected principal sir, our hardworking teachers and all my dear brothers and sisters, good morning to all of you. Today, I Palak stand to express my view against in board exam in class 10th.
On my point of view, there should be board exam in class 10th because these help us in various ways. I am discussing some point here. First one is it prepares student to learn how to deal with stress and depression because 10th class board exam make us mentally strong and we will learn how to manage time and how to give our best under these pressure situations.
No Deepa, I don't agree with your opinion. Because of social pressure in board classes, students feel pressure from teachers, society and even from parents to score well in board exams to get admissions in top schools and universities.
No Palak, in fact whatever you say is totally incorrect because it helps us to choose our career option because our marks in a particular subject somewhere reflect our interest or disinterest in that subject, helping us to choose a stream in science, commerce or humanities. Board exams show real aptitude of students, so there should be board exam in class 10.
No Deepa, your points are useless because of stress. During board exam preparation, students became all-nighters while many other ignore eating. In short, students became stressed. So there should be no board exams in class 10th.
No Palak, you are wrong because 10th class board exam help us to level up a student confidence and an excellent performance in class 10 will also give us a motivational push to maintain the same level of success in future as well.
No Deepa, you are wrong because students go depressed due to board exam pressure and in such cases they commit suicide. So there should be no board exams in class 10th and you are wrong.
No Palak, in fact whatever you say is totally incorrect because 10th class board exam evaluate a student learning abilities more clearly than in other sources. It is a measurement of how much they learn and board exam also help us realize our level among others.
No Deepa, your points are quite shallow because of inequitable judgment. The future of students who got less marks due to some reasons. Exam marks should not be considered a student's intelligence. So there should be no board exams in class 10th.
No Palak, I strongly say because it inspires us to work hard so that we can brighten the name of our parents and our school.
No Deepa, you are wrong because despite working hard in board exam, if a child get less marks, so they go depressed and demotivate from them. All this build up pressure in the student's mind resulting in the development of board exam phobia.
No Palak, your point are quite shallow because students get scholarship from many institutes. This is the only source of study for poor students to continue their further study. So there should be board exam in class 10.
No Deepa, I disagree with you because of rote learning. In order to score well, students usually move on rote learning and ignore the concepts. And I think this is the major drawback of board exams because exams bring stress and anxiety with them. So there should be no board exams in class 10th.
An American philanthropist and businessman Mr. Henry Fizzle invented board exam in late 19th century. Board exams are a major milestone for a student life. So I again repeat that there should be board exam in class 10.
Thanking you for listening us attentively.
So that is all from me and Palak.
Thank you.